When my daughter Megan was severely injured in a car wreck, October 21st, 1989, she was in a coma. Actually, she was in a coma for almost 2 months. During that period of time, as her father, I was totally 100% focused on her medical situation. I wanted her to survive. After she survived, I wanted her to come out of the coma. After she came out of the coma, I wanted her to get rehabilitation, and I worked with her through being in the hospital, being in the intensive care room, going through the rehabilitation. I was with her. That's what my focus was. Even as a lawyer, I simply was not focused on any of the legal aspects of her case. I didn't care about that. I didn't want to deal with that. That's not what I wanted her to get well. And frankly, there was a part of me, even as a lawyer, that said, I don't really care what happened in the accident. That was a mistake. That was a mistake that I, as a lawyer, made. It was a mistake I, as her father, made. I should have, especially with my legal training, known better. I should have immediately gotten some experienced, expert lawyer who knows how to deal with these kind of matters to do it for me. That's why whenever we have somebody come to us because a loved one has had a brain injury, one of the first things we do is tell them, listen, we understand you don't want to deal with any of these legal matters, and you shouldn't have to. And thank goodness you found us, because that's what we do. Whether it's dealing with the insurance company on the liability aspect of who caused the wreck and all of that, or whether it's dealing with getting Social Security benefits, getting disability benefits, getting you leave from your own job under the Family Medical Leave Act so that you don't get fired because you're here at the hospital for week after week taking care of your daughter or your father or your spouse or whoever it might be. It's crucially important and can relieve the loved ones of a lot of anguish if they will get themselves into the hands of an experienced law firm and let us as their lawyers handle all of those even the medical bills themselves. They're enormous, and they start coming in immediately. How do you know how to get the medical bills paid, and which medical bills should be paid, and are there any government benefits or other benefits that your loved one is entitled to so that the bills can get paid in full and on time? All of these are matters that we take off the minds of the family members who are really not interested in dealing with it at all.